Watch one video and you will procure $2.80. Watch 10 recordings and you will procure $28. You can procure more than $100 in a day watching recordings on the web, which is one of the most outstanding approaches to how to bring in cash on the web. I will uncover the name of this site in a moment. Yet, as you can see that by and large, a client pulls out more than $10 consistently from this site. Furthermore, they have previously paid more than $470,000 to the clients of this site. When you sign into your record, this is the manner by which your dashboard will seem to be. As may be obvious, this site has over 4.6 star evaluations on Trustpilot, and it is one of the confirmed sites by Trustpilot, and that implies that this is one of the genuine sites to bring in cash on the web. So on the off chance that PayPal isn't accessible in your country, you can in any case take withdrawal through various installment strategies, or you can straightforwardly pull out your profit to your financial balance. What's more, you simply need $2 to pull out your profit to your bank, which is truly magnificent. Presently, the step number 2 is once you are on your dashboard, I believe you should click where it says Procure, and that will take you to this page where you can track down a wide range of ways of bringing in cash on the web. However, simply relax. You needn't bother with a jerk record to watch these jerk streams. So regardless of whether you have a jerk account, you can in any case watch these jerk transfer recordings here and bring in cash on the web. Presently, as may be obvious, there are lots of recordings that you can watch to bring in cash. Furthermore, a large portion of these recordings are gaming recordings like GTA 5, Minecraft, Counter-Strike, etc. Remark down beneath your #1 games so I can make more recordings connected with that for you. As may be obvious, you're getting compensated $2 focuses each moment for watching recordings. Furthermore, this might go as high as $2.80 each moment watching recordings. In any case, your profit will rely upon the country you are from. The more fostered your country, the more cash you will acquire. Presently, no matter what the country you are from, the more you watch these recordings, the more cash you will make. What's more, there are lots of recordings that you can watch and duplicate your profit. Presently, the principal reward tip is that you can go to the settings of this video, select the quality choice, and pick 144 quality from that point. This will assist you with watching the recordings with lower quality and save your web information. This will assist you with boosting your profit since, in such a case that one video procures your $2.80 each moment watching recordings and you open up 10 recordings in various tabs simultaneously, you will procure $1.28 each moment watching recordings. Presently, the step number 3 to bring in cash watching recordings is to watch these short and moving video cuts and get compensated like clockwork you watch. Enter your username in the application, which you can find for yourself right close to this subsequent point. And afterward, you can begin watching those short and moving recordings, and you can procure any place between $1 focuses to $10 focuses like clockwork you watch those recordings. The more you watch, the more cash you will make. You will likewise acquire one ticket at regular intervals, which you can use to expand your profit on this site. Presently, assuming you need, you can likewise expand your income with other different bring-in cash online strategies accessible here. What's more, you might acquire $1 focuses to $10 focuses at regular intervals you pay attention to radio music. Very much like this, you can make some additional money finishing various offers like messing around, taking part in studies, etc. The following choice is the proposition suppliers. As may be obvious, there are many deal suppliers which you can utilize and bring in cash on the web. For instance, assuming you open up the AdSense Media from here, it will show you the different applications that you can introduce and bring in cash for introducing them. In any case, in the event that you come to the highest point of this stage and snap where it says recordings, it will show you every one of the various stages where you can bring in cash for watching various recordings. For example, Pixel Point Television, Pup Bear Television, Flyset Live Television, etc. Not just that, on Promotion Send Media, you can likewise bring in cash finishing different studies, joining to various stages, and introducing different applications on your cell phone. So assuming you click on Versatile Applications choice, it will show you the different applications and various games that you can introduce on your cell phone and bring in cash on the web. Not just that, you can likewise choose your gadget from the highest point of this stage, Android, iPhone or iPad, and you can utilize the applications that are explicitly accessible for your cell phone type. Very much like this, assuming you open up the Lootably stage from here, you will find that Lootably additionally has different applications that you can introduce and bring in cash. Yet, here on Lootably, you will track down the interminable rundown of 100 of thousands of applications that are accessible for you to introduce and bring in cash. As may be obvious, I can continue to look down on this stage, and the applications will continue to show. What's more, beneficially, on the off chance that you are not keen on introducing some irregular applications, you can simply introduce the applications that you are, as of now, acquainted with. Or on the other hand, you can simply introduce the intriguing gaming applications from here so you can appreciate messing around and simultaneously, you can bring in cash playing them. There are many fascinating games like X's and O's B-ball shots, Ludo, and a lot more play to procure games. So click where it says Recordings, and it will show you all the video classifications that you can watch to bring in cash. For example, you can watch business recordings, gaming recordings, do-it-yourself recordings, food recordings, etc. Pick the classification you like from here and snap on Watch Recordings button close to it. For instance, I like watching gaming recordings, so I will simply tap on Watch Recordings button close to it. What's more, that will take me to this Loot TV site where I, first of all, need to join myself. Furthermore, when I join, my Plunder television record will be consequently connected to my record on our principal site. And all the cash I acquire here watching these gaming recordings will be added straightforwardly to my record on this site, which I can undoubtedly pull out from that point. So, as you can see now, I can begin watching gaming recordings on Plunder